Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Okay. Now, myself Narendra, but today we will talk in class 12th standard chemistry. In your topic is lecture number 7. Your topic is electrical properties or band theory. Uh, Students, you have to already learn about metal, non-metal, and insulators. In last classes, metal are those substances which conduct heat and electricity known as metals, and non-metal are those substances which do not conduct heat and electricity known as non-metal, and semi-metal or the insulator are insulator are semi-metals. Semi-metal are those substances between the conductivity of metal and non-metal. Okay, germanium, silicon, aluminum. This is the example. Okay, today this is the band theory. What is band theory? Please note it. Metal conduct electricity in solid as well as molten state. The conductivity of metal depend upon the number of valence electron available for atom. Generally, band means the valence electron of the every atoms and their energy level. Valence electron in their energy uh, level. Energy level means generally every atom should have some energy. Here, first is the conductor according to band theory. Second is insulator, and third is non-conductor, conductor, insulator, and semiconductor. Yeah, semi-metal, semi-conductor, or yeah, semi-metals. Okay, conductor or yeah, metals. Okay. According to band theory, what is conductor, what is insulator, and what is semiconductor? Here, conductor, according to band theory state that conductor will be possible when the energy gap in their molecular orbital is very close. Here, this is the band. This is the fulfilling electron. Okay, so this is filled band. Filled band. This is the energy levels. Okay, this is empty band. Empty band are totally consume energy. Okay, here when the filled band and empty band close to each other and their energy gap is very low, is very low, it means the substance known as conductor. In this case, the electron jump filled band to empty band in easily. Here, then conduct heat and electricity, this type of substance known as conductor. Okay, so this is the conductor. Okay, second is insulator. When the gap of their energy band is very high, here suppose that this is filled band is the occupied by electron and this is the empty band. When the electron jump by the molten state, in this case the electron gain the maximum energy. So this is very difficult to jump electron filled band to filled band to empty band. Empty band. This type of substance known as insulator. In this gap known as energy gap. Energy gap. Here the overlapping zone known as overlapping zone or forbidden zone. Last is the semiconductor. Semiconductor are those substances. Here the energy gap is a short range. This is the short range energy. This is the field in energy and electron. This is filled band. Okay. Okay, beta. Here and this is the empty band. Empty band. In molten state, electron are easily jumped to here, and this type of substance known as semiconductor or semi metals. Okay, here example germanium, aluminum, etc. Okay, here empty insulator is like that dry wood, plastic. okay, plastic, and conductor means iron, okay, copper, extra, okay. So this is the example of conductor, insulator and semi metal according to Band theory. Okay, thanks for watching.